Hello, viewers. This is Claire Chiro. Thank you. I want to welcome you to this wonderful session. Once again, my name is Claire Chiro. I want to take us through the introduction to Microsoft Excel. I want to thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining me. You're so much welcome to listen, and it's going to be a wonderful discussion because today is a very important session. I want to take us through Microsoft Excel. I know some of us might have used Microsoft Excel, some of us might have not used it. So I want you to know what Microsoft Excel is, maybe the key features that we use, where it is applied, and then the advantages of Microsoft Excel. So stay tuned till the very end. When I talk of Microsoft Excel, I mean it's a spreadsheet software used to organize, calculate, and then analyze and present data. So Microsoft Excel is really a very important software. It's applied in various fields, and its advantages are also so nice. So before I talk about the key features, the advantages, and where it's applied, I want you to know what I'm saying, because the key features, it would be best if I take you through as we also be looking at it. So the Microsoft Excel we're talking about is this: you come to your window bar, and then you see where Excel is. You click on it, so it brings you these features. You can go to new. You see the different layouts. This is already a blank workbook. So it's simple, it's precise, it's organized. This is what we call a Microsoft Excel worksheet or workbook. Actually, where you see this thing, like whenever I tap, this is what we call a cell. A cell is an intersection between a row and a column. So where it's denoted with letters, these are columns, and where you see these numbers from number 1 up to, I don't know, it's a row. So this is a cell, and a cell is an intersection of a row and a column. So this would be named as cell C3 because it's in row 3, column C. So you start with the number, no, you start with the letter and then you go to the number. It will be C3. So these are already some of the key features in Excel. We also have the worksheets. This is a worksheet. You see, when you click on the plus sign, it gives you another worksheet, which is sheet 2. This is also another. When you keep on clicking the plus sign, it gives you different sheets. So the selection of these sheets are what we call a workbook. So this is sheet 1, our sheet 1. So another important key feature we look at in Microsoft Excel are the functions. So when you come here, you click on the function, you see it brings you things of mathematics. We have the sum. When you want to total something, we have the average, we have the if functions, we have the hyperlink, the count, the max, and the sign. So these are the functions used in Microsoft Excel. We also have the charts. Sorry, we have the charts. When you come to insert, that's where you get our charts. You see, these are different charts. These are, you see. We also have the formulas, the things we use. We also have the data, maybe the page, okay, page layout, we get the margins, the orientation of how you want your Excel to look like, the margins. So these are some of the key features that we have in Microsoft Excel. We have the data tools. You see, we get the tools when we click on the data, and yeah, those are some of the key features that we have. And again, when we go to the advantages of Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Excel handles large amounts of data. It handles large amount of data easily. It's user friendly and it's flexible. The way you see it, it's nice. It's precise. It's also widely used in almost all the professions. So I'll list to you some of the professions, like some of the areas where Microsoft Excel can be used. You realize that since it's mainly used to perform calculations and organize data, you realize that we use them in education for keeping students' record and also for making report cards. Yeah, that is education. That's in the field of education. And then in business, in accounting, actually, we use them in budgeting, payroll, you know. Yeah, in accounting, the way I mentioned, it's for budgeting, payroll, and financial statements. And then in business as well, you realize that spreadsheet, we use them for sales tracking and for forecasting. So Microsoft Excel is really nice to use. The way you see it, I'll take you through when we are going to find out how to make a report card. When we're making a report card using Microsoft Excel, that's when it will be so interesting of how we apply some of the key features, the formulas, the functions, how it comes about. It's really, really, really so interesting. So another key area where we use Microsoft Excel is research for data. So data analysis and statistics as well, that's where we use Microsoft Excel. So guys, thank you for listening. This is what I had for this session of introduction to Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. I still remain Achiro Play. I hope you stay tuned for the next session of how we're going to make a report card using Microsoft Excel so that it becomes more and more interesting. So, thank you. See you.